Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please feel free to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much again for watching and tuning into my channel. So today I am installing locks. Now this lovely lady actually had traditional locks before, and they were super long and very beautiful, but she got some micro locks for her daughter that I did, and she absolutely loved it. So she decided to comb out her locks and then get micro locks installed. So that's what we're doing today. Now also, she has really long hair, especially since she had the locks in for a while, but the front she cut a little shorter, I guess to just speed up the process of combing out her locks. So her front is shorter than the back, so we actually added in some hair that I'll get into later to lengthen the front so that it can match up with the back. So right now I'm just starting off the back. I'm starting off with braids and then twisting the rest to the ends, and this is how I have been installing the micro locks since. Now I try to be very precise with my partings to make sure that horizontally and vertically the parts all line up so that when it comes to styling, the styles look nice and neater. And when you do your parts, it'll just be straight. So we made it halfway through, and then I needed to take a break. So I got my husband to get me some Firehouse sub, and I ate that really quick. It was delicious. I always get the Italian fully involved. Got the large with wheat bread, so it was so good. So had to eat that real fast, and then I got right back to work. So this is the part where I'm starting to add the hair. She wanted like an ombre look, so this is the color that she got. And this is the brand that she also used, the Afro Kinky Bulky or Bulk Hair. I had never ever used extensions to do micro braids. So this is my very first time. She knew that. I let her know. I'll try it. I'll give it a shot, but I've never did this before. And I've never worked with this hair before, so it was a learning curve in the process. So I'm just doing my best and trying to add this hair in and keep it in because it was very soft and it really did feel like human hair. So, and it matched her texture. It matches Afro style hair. Like it was really nice. So it was like, it was soft. It wasn't hard or hard on my hands. It was really a nice texture. So it was a learning curve in me trying to add in the hair, when to add it in, how to add it in. It was just all new to me. So I was learning in this process at the same time. So now I'm just adding in the finishing touches. I'm adding my itch relief oil onto her scalp, and this just gives the scalp a nice soothing feel, especially after being braided or washed. It just gives it a nice cool feeling. So after putting that in, I like to give it a nice little massage, rub it in really good. And then, which I did not show up close, which I don't understand why, is I added a little bit of water, and then I added my braid foam wrap to the ends. And this gave the curls, including her hair and the added hair, a nice curl, because it really did resemble human Afro kinky hair. And so I love the hair that was added into her hair. I think it gave it a nice additional look, and that way she didn't have to sacrifice her length in the back to be able to substitute what was in the front. So it came out very cute, and I can't wait to really see how her hair starts to mature and lock up. So if you are interested in seeing her journey, because I will be posting more videos, she's coming in 4 weeks after her initial install, and then I will also show a video with that as well, because I always do recommend 4 weeks after the install to come back in for your first retightening. And after that, you can go a little longer, between 6 and 8 weeks. Some people even come back every 12 weeks, just depending on how fast your hair grows. So if you're interested in seeing her journey, please subscribe. I will be posting more videos of her hair so you can see how it transitions into locks. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll talk to you later.